working?
Sounds like it.
I think it's funny. I always find the fast ones going that way when I'm going this way. And I pretend I'm driving the car, right?
They didn't say where or what side. They just say a cup.
Oh, the other guy. Brian, there's a cup. I didn't know if you knew.
This guy sucks at fucking messing. Run a fucking cell phone and get done over with. He's the first person in a long time. Just been up for like 2 months. What do you say?
Must have a brick in it. You know what I mean?
Aaron needs to get a zombie up there. He wanted it this time.
Harley's always vibrating. Kids get used to the van, and then I got candy. Must be in a brick in it. You know what I mean? Yep, I know exactly what you're thinking.
Concrete.
Concrete. There he is.
At least you figured it out.
Oh, I already
I
did.
know.
I ran on the back of my truck, so don't fall asleep. Fucking tires my truck. I love it, man. Everybody backs up. They're like, oh, I ain't getting too low. Things off, I don't know what it is. Gotta be heavy because stuff there.
Magnet.
Magnet. Magnet.
Mine, I welded mine off.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have a good night. Woo! Whoop, whoop. Aaron never looks back.
No.
We always go forward.
Forward. Don't look around. I'm only getting. Barry, listen that bitch back up.
What? You talking shit? Wanna go? Oh, you just looked at it. Yep. Come on, come here, car. It's a truck. Get it right. What is it? Remember that one guy? Remember that one guy? It's a truck. It's a tuck. It's a cup. Remember? He looked at it. Oh, he said something. So we're heading that way, right?
You're right on the car. I gotta pee anyways.
He'll be there in 10 minutes. Cool.
Ready?
Yep.